Hello, I hope everybody is well and healthy. I thought that I would bring you a story during these times to help entertain myself and everyone else too. This is a tale that I found in the back of a book, in the notes. The book itself was published in 1889. It's called Waifs and Strays of Celtic Tradition by Archibald Campbell. My storytelling partner, Donna Wolf, calls this a Gaelic dad joke. Fealla-dhà sa Gaelic. I put it into Gaelic because the notes are in English, and it was corrected by my friend and one of my first teachers, Michael McCay. And I'm going to start first in Gaelic. So be patient if you have none of that language. Va keep around, agus law vasho, vai ounce of vanag, leisha trade churik. San fashker biel na heiche of ae, nur the voik and keeper, garo and trait gown jacurach. Well, ga ke and trait for smaak a chu, agus haishe ke galarak. Agus haroi ach unje vek, nur a chule and keeper a velik eichke. Agus shini, vai boon as kuun, an en koi shemesk acha aljak. Arol ri eichking, ach a herpel is a thorn. Well, chromi shies, agus hute graim in terpel, agus lute, ach ha boringa ga glusit eater. Hesse, agus hute ye en kote eka, agus chromi shies a richt, agus hute graim ma in terpel. Agus lute, en guhoben, sound lot of I. Agus va en terpel, ounce na live. Agus non ro en terpel na bulachera, vegan scalacum na bacha. Ounce of erla in English. There was a shepherd, and one day he was out on the moors with his flock of sheep, and it was the edge of night, and he noticed that the flock was missing a sheep. So he left the flock under control of his dog, and he started to look for her. It wasn't a long time before he heard her bleating, and there she was. She was boon uskun. She was upside down in a crack, in a place of boulders, and there was nothing to be seen but her backsides and her tail. Well, he bent over and he got a grip on the tail, and he pulled, but he wasn't able to move her an inch. So he stood up and he took his coat off, and he bent over again, and he got a good grip on the tail, and he pulled, and suddenly there he was on the ground, and the tail was in his hand. And if that tail had been stronger, my tail would be longer. Topalave. Thank you.